So you want to start a life coaching business, but you're stuck on where to begin? Do you need a certification? How do you get your first client? And what about pricing? What should you even charge? I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're just starting out. But here's the good news. Starting a coaching business is actually simpler than you think. And by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to do first, what to skip, and how to start signing paying clients ASAP. Hey there, I'm Moriah Riona, an award-winning luxury brand designer and luxury branding coach. And this is Super Bloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business. If you're here, it means you're finally ready to launch your dream coaching business, but maybe you're feeling stuck. What do you actually need to start? Where do you find clients? And what about social media? Do you need a huge following on Instagram before you can get clients? Don't worry, I've got you. Every single day this month, I'm dropping a brand new episode that walks you through the exact steps to go from idea to fully booked coach. After years of helping coaches launch their luxury brands and build profitable businesses, I know exactly what works and what's just a waste of time. So if you're ready to do this the right way, grab your free workbook at mariahriona.com/workbook or in the description below. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. One of the biggest things that holds new coaches back is the feeling that they're not ready yet. Maybe you think you need another certification, or that you just have to wait until you feel more confident, or that you need to have everything figured out before you can start. I see so many new coaches stuck in this cycle of waiting until they feel more qualified, waiting until they know exactly who they serve, waiting until they feel like a real coach. But here's the truth. You don't become ready by waiting. You become ready by doing. The fastest way to gain confidence is to just start coaching. The fastest way to get clarity on your niche is to just start working with clients. So today, I'm giving you 3 simple steps to start coaching now so you can start building a real, profitable business instead of sitting on the sidelines wondering if you're ready. Here are the 3 essential steps to starting a life coaching business. Step 1, get clear on your niche and ideal client. One of the biggest mistakes I see new coaches make, trying to coach everyone. I get it. You want to help as many people as possible. But here's the thing. If you're talking to everyone, you're actually talking to no one. I saw this firsthand with my client Elizabeth. When she first came to me, she knew she wanted to coach women, but that was way too broad. After working together, she realized her true ideal clients were actually women doctors, just like herself. The moment she got that clarity, everything clicked. Suddenly, she knew exactly how to speak to her audience, and they knew her coaching was made just for them. The same thing happened in my own business. I used to help all female entrepreneurs build their brands, and my business did okay. But when I started niching down, focusing only on female coaches and helping them build luxury brands and establish their thought leadership, everything changed. I went from okay to fully booked with dream clients, and I tripled my revenue last year. So how do you get that kind of clarity in your own coaching business? It starts with one simple question. Who do you help and what problem do you solve? You do not need to spend 6 months stressing over this. You just need a starting point. Instead of saying, I help everyone with everything, say, I help specific type of person with specific type of problem. For example, I help busy moms reduce stress and reclaim their time. Or I help new entrepreneurs overcome fear and take action. Is your niche going to be perfect on day one? No, and that's okay. Clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from coaching real people and refining as you go. So stop waiting to figure it all out first. Pick a niche, start coaching, and let the experience shape the rest. In fact, don't wait another minute. If you're watching this on YouTube, comment below and let me know your niche. Or DM me over on Instagram at Moriah Riona and tell me your niche. I would love to cheer you on. Step number 2, create your first coaching offer. So many new coaches overcomplicate this part. You don't need a course. You don't need a membership. You need one simple one-on-one coaching offer. That's it. Ask yourself, how long will you coach them? Maybe 3 months? How often do you meet? Weekly, bi-weekly? What results will they get? This is the transformation. For example, a 3-month coaching package with weekly calls to help entrepreneurs get unstuck and start their businesses. That's enough to start. And yes, you can charge for this right away. You don't need to coach for free forever. In fact, charging helps your clients take it seriously. I actually explain this in detail inside my Dream Client Accelerator program. Not only is it better for you to charge, but it's better for your clients too. In fact, I share how it's actually better to start charging high ticket pricing. But don't worry about that for now. Just make sure you are charging. Repeat after me. We do not work for free. In fact, if you're watching this on YouTube, drop that in the comments down below or DM me over on Instagram. We do not work for free. And step number 3, start talking to people and getting clients. This is where most new coaches freeze. They post on Instagram and just wait for clients to come to them. But that's not how this works. Your first clients will come from conversations, not content. Here's what to do instead. Reach out to people in your existing network. Tell them what you do. Post on social media, but don't just post inspirational quotes. Share who you help and how. Offer a few free intro calls to build confidence and testimonials. The first paying clients always come from people who already know, like, and trust you. Focus on them first. So what's next? It's time to take action. Now that you know the 3 steps to start your coaching business, here's what I want you to do next. Decide on your niche. Who you help and how do you solve their problem. Outline your first coaching offer. Keep it simple. Tell people what you do. Your first clients are already in your world. You just need to let them know you can help. And to make this even easier, I've put together a free workbook that walks you through this process. So by the end, you'll have a coaching business that actually sets you up for success. Grab it now at the link in the description. And don't forget, this is just the beginning. Tomorrow, we're diving deep into choosing your niche so you can stand out and attract the right clients. So hit that subscribe button, grab the workbook, and I'll see you in the next episode. And if this video helped you out today, would you mind doing me a quick favor? Like the video or leave a review on Apple Podcasts. It helps more amazing coaches find this show. Thank you so much.